Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. You need to start by locating and opening Recorder app. Then select Settings in the pop-up. Tap on this switcher next to Allow access to manage all files. Click on the back button and tap on Standard. Over here, you need to apply the best recording mode for you: Standard, Meeting, or Interview. I will go with Meeting, so I have to click on it. Before starting your recording, tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Click on Settings and adjust those two options however you wish to, like file format. Then go back and click on this red button. Sorry, misclick. Lastly, tap on while using the app in the pop-up. Then allow or don't allow in the other one. As you can see, recording is now on. If you want to pause it or unpause it, tap on the same red button. In order to add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to add a photo bookmark, on the right one. Now choose Agree and Continue, then Allow, while using or only this time, and finally take a picture. If you don't like it, you can discard it by tapping on this X on the left, then retake it. To add it, click on the check mark on the right. You can always discard your recording right away by tapping on the top left corner and confirming your choice in the pop-up. In order to end it and save it, click on the check mark at the top right one. Then name your recording however you wish to and choose Save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can play it by clicking on it. If you wish to delete it though, hold it. Tap on Delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!